Transform your dull video cuts into electrifying visual experiences with Capcut PC's powerful cutout transition. First, let's get our footage ready. Import the 2 video clips you want to connect using this transition into Capcut PC. Drag them onto your timeline, placing them one after the other. For this tutorial, we'll focus on cutting out a person from the first clip and placing them into the second. Navigate your playhead to the precise moment in the first clip where you want your cutout to begin. This is crucial for a clean separation. Now, we'll use Capcut's magic tools to isolate our subject. With the first clip selected, head to the top toolbar and find the Remove Background option. Click on it. You'll see a few choices for a sharp, defined cutout. We'll select Auto Cutout. Capcut's AI will work its magic, analyzing your footage and automatically creating a mask around your subject. Give it a moment to process. You should now see your subject clearly separated from their original background. Now, let's move the cutout to our next scene. Position your playhead at the beginning of your second video clip. You'll notice our isolated subject from the first clip is still visible. To ensure a seamless transition, make sure the end of your first clip aligns perfectly with the start of your second clip. Our cutout subject is now positioned over the beginning of the second video. We'll refine its placement. Click and drag your cutout subject on the preview screen to its desired position in this new scene. You can also resize it using the corner handles. Think about where you want them to appear for dynamic movement. You might want them to enter from off-screen or blend in with the new environment. To add movement, we'll use keyframes with the cutout subject selected on the second clip. Click the diamond icon next to Position and Scale in the Inspector panel. Move the playhead further along your second clip and adjust the position and scale again. Capcut will automatically create a keyframe, animating the movement of your cutout. Play back your timeline to see the magic. Your subject is now dynamically transitioning from the first scene to the second, creating an engaging and professional-looking cutout effect. Experiment with different entry and exit points for truly unique transitions. Master this technique, and you'll elevate your video edits to a whole new level. Happy editing!